Hey, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holders? So this time Hedera Hashgraph is completely fails now. Minus 6.72% fails down. Not just unique Hedera Hashgraph, all cryptocurrencies, my friend. You can see here this time the crypto market is totally fails down. So what's the reason today fails down? My friend, I told you to what's the reason, and upcoming days they fails more or they starting moving up. Definitely, what's the prediction in upcoming days? So let's start Hedera Hashgraph price prediction. But before I start this video, I request you to please click out the subscribe button and press bell icon for videos notification. This channel is guide you every time. Kindly subscribe this channel. Okay, this time you can see here Hedera Hashgraph is fails now in the start of this. You can see this is last 12-hour chart on the screen, and they completely at the start of this 12-hour they fails down. So what's the reason, my friends, today fails down? The prediction is very important, my friend. The reason, as the one big reason, is that to people starting selling. Exactly, if people starting selling, then they fails down more and more very fastly. They fails down. But if people starting holding, and people hold it, don't start selling and buying, then absolutely they're moving up like a rocket. Definitely like that. You can see here they take a very small jump, but my friend, they are in the positive moving up. So and definitely the one reason I already tell you to people starting selling, then they fails down. But the second reason, as main reason, my friend, to every crypto coin as fails down at the start of month. Yes, absolutely, at the start of month every cryptocurrency fails very badly, fails now. So this time also you can see here the change occur as a negative minus 3.58% fails down. What's the reason? The reason, my friend, I already tell you to the start of month. So this time you can see the price is also decreased now in the last 12 hour. But definitely the reason as that to the, if the change occur as a negative, then the price is also increased very fastly. So my friend, my prediction is to upcoming days, I hope they're moving up like a rocket. Definitely, my friend, I told you they're moving up like a rocket. So this time you can see here they also take a big jump and they're starting moving up. So the good time is coming soon. 1.96% change occur when in positive, my friend. So it's mean to they starting moving up like a rocket. Please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope they give you very good profit. Hedera Hashgraph, please like this video, subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos.